In this vlog, we will see how to load an SVG format image into our Flutter application. So generally we use this SVG for loading graphics, for loading files which are containing a specially defined graphics. So SVG is a scalable vector graphics. For this we are using a dependency flutter underscore SVG. So here I am not mentioning any specific version. You might use it according to the version which is currently available, or else just leave the version. So here let us go through the coding. So here it's a general scenario. We have declared a void main in which we have declared a class myapp extending stateless widget. So from there we are extending my home page. Here we have declared a title as Flutter SVG demo, as this tutorial will demonstrate you the usage of SVG. So here we are extending my home page with stateful widget, and from there if we get into the actual coding, so here we have declared a sample column which is wrapped with center so that the images lie in the center of the screen, and inside which we have provided some padding between the images. So here we have declared a particular image with the format .svg. So here in pubspec we have specified this under assets. So here you can see I have specified the assets folder. So inside assets folder I have declared image flutter underscore logo dot svg. So I have added the folder path here so that we can use it in our coding. So it's an important step. You should not forget to add the folder path here, or else your image will not be identified by our code. Okay, so make sure you add the path in pubspec and use it in this particular. So after the image we have added some more padding so that there exists some gap, and here you can see with the help of assets we have added a svg image here, and now with the string format we are adding another image here, image kind of thing. I mean, you can edit this particular image characteristics. Here we have specified width and height, and a rectangle we have specified. So as it's a sample example I have provided a basic design, so depending upon your requirement you may append this particular string. So let us see the output. So here you can see the asset image is loaded. So this is the image we have loaded, and the other one is a string. Here we can show not only rectangle, we can make a circle or any other shape depending upon our requirement. So this is how we load an SVG into our Flutter application. So if you are having any doubts or any issues in this particular tutorial, do let us know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And also subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.